morning everyone, happy Sunday and welcome to my speed clean. Hope this video motivates you this morning and gives you lots of inspiration to get up and get cleaning. I done a full house clean from top to bottom. It was quite an environmentally friendly clean, this one, because I just used the Lidl Zone version of the e-cloth, which is, I think it's called a W5 cloth. You'll see it in little clips as I'm going along. You just wet it and it's an antibacterial cloth. They also do the glass cleaning cloths, which you can use wet or dry, and they leave a lovely shine on all the mirrors. So they're what you can see me using in the upstairs, and I used the same cloth but wet to clean the shutters, and it actually worked really well. Do you ever look at your laundry and think, where did all that come from? There's only 3 of us that live in this house, and all I seem to do is do laundry, and I cut it down to 3 times a week. So that's why the tumble dryer was overused. All the stuff that you can see me folding off the Maiden is the stuff that can't go into the tumble dryer because it'll probably shrink. So I was just taking it all off, folding it up and putting it away. This Maiden is absolutely brilliant. I purchased it from IKEA and it folds up nice and flat and fits in perfectly at the side of Ollie's wardrobe for storage. So if you're looking for a great Maiden or clothes area that is perfect for storage, then IKEA have some great ones.
and sacred, yeah. Ooh, and I want to praise it. Will you stay with me? I'm lost in America. Will you stay with me now? 'Cause I'm lost in America. Stay with me. I'm lost in America. Stay with me now. Oh, yeah. Wide awake in an alien world, alien world. Wide awake, but I'm still the unheard, still the unheard of. I'm still waiting for you. Wide awake in an alien world, where I'm still waiting, I'm still waiting for you. Wide awake, but I'm still the unheard of. I'm still the unheard of. Ooh, will you stay with me? Ooh, I'm lost in America. We're in America. Will you stay with me now? 'Cause I'm lost in America. I'm still waiting. Stay with me. I'm still waiting. I'm lost in America. I'm still waiting for you. Stay with me now. 'Cause I'm lost in America. So I'm crawling to the end now.
It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I got my hands on your body. So tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty. Because there ain't nobody love you like I do. 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 Like Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move.
And that's my speed clean done. I finished off by using the new Aircraft Power Glide, which was gifted to me by Aircraft to clean all the floors. This has become my new best friend. It's cordless, it's effortless, and it just cleans the floors lovely. The cloths that I use were purchased from the Lidl, and you get 2 cloths in each pack, and they were £1.50, and they were absolutely amazing. The black cloth that you see me cleaning the oven with was purchased from Amazon, and it's like a gritty microfiber cloth, and that's absolutely great for wiping out the oven too. And then a little bit of Buster down my sinks to keep them nice and fresh and smelling clean. And that's my nice weekly clean done. It's where I've basically polished everything down, because like I say, my house gets so dusty, so it does need a deep clean like that once a week to tackle all the dust. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video and that it's motivated you today to get up and get some cleaning done, because there's no better feeling in the world than sitting down when it's all done with a nice cup of tea and knowing that that's it. You can just relax and there's no more housework to be done. So I hope you all have a fabulous day whatever you are doing, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye for now.